Hi, this is Jeff, owner of Summitwood Door Finishing and Training. And I want to just quickly talk to you about a new product we just put out. I'm very excited about. It is the DIY Door Finishers ebook and video guide. Now, the nice thing about this is that I didn't just sit down and write it for the professional. I wrote it for the DIYer. Okay? Now, I get calls. I've done this for 25 years, almost a quarter of a century. And during that time, I've gotten hundreds of calls from DIYers that want to know how to do it. And I've kind of taken a mental note of all the questions they've asked me, and that's how I created the book. This book answers the questions of customers that have called me up over the last 25 years, and it's all in one logically laid out place from start to finish. I think you're really going to enjoy this. It's about 125 pages. It's got about 130 photos and illustrations. And I'll tell you, this is a bonus you're not going to find in almost any other ebook. It has about an hour and a half of video. So that's something I really did that's very special to this, because sometimes they say a picture's worth 1,000 words. I'll tell you something, a 5-minute video is worth, I don't know how many words that's worth, but it's worth a lot. So we've got all that in there. And the video, even though I have a YouTube channel, very successful YouTube channel, and a really fully developed website, this has got information in it that you won't find anywhere else. Some of the video in the book you will find on my YouTube channel, but it's not strategically located. You just find it. The nice thing about this ebook and video guide is that it goes right from the beginning, collecting your tools, setting up your job site, stripping the door, finishing the door, keeping the door up over a year, a maintenance program, even how to build a maintenance kit, so that every year all you've got to do is grab this box out of your garage, bring it to your front door, and you just got a very, very easy maintenance program, and you will never, I'd say, if you're an average length of lifetime, you'll never have to refinish that door again. I have doors that are 25 years old that I've used this technique on. Up in the mountains of Colorado, almost 10,000 feet high. And after 25 years, those doors look as good as they did when I first did them. So it's a really incredible process I'm teaching you here. This is for the DIYer person that around their home, they want to do their door. Maybe they got one, two, maybe a couple doors. This is not for the professional. We do have training materials for the professional, but this is for the DIYer that wants to do it quick and dirty. They want a professional result. They want to save potentially a couple $1,000, and they want to know how to keep up that door over time. So I'll tell you something. This is a product that I'm really proud of, and I have made it just for the DIYer. So I think you're really going to enjoy it, and you're going to it's going to give you a lot of satisfaction walking through that door every day, knowing that you did it yourself. And not only that, you know how to keep it up. So, it's not something that you're going to do once and it's going to look worse every year. So anyhow, I think you'll enjoy it.